Well, there's been a major development in the murder case against an Ontario man alleged to have sold suicide kits right across the globe.
Kenneth Law's lawyer filing at the Supreme Court of Canada, arguing there's no way under Canadian law what his client did can be considered murder. CTV's John Woodward picks up the story.
As a kid, Leanna Kirk loved to dance and to laugh.
She was happy. She had lots of friends. She was great. She was a real spark.
But her dad, Dale Kirk, said as Leanna got older, she grew withdrawn, quit school, and disappeared for long periods.
She became quite a different kid.
By 21, she was in and out of hospital and using methamphetamines. A coroner's report says she ordered a deadly product in September 2022. A month later, she was dead.
It's your worst nightmare.
That product ordered from a website run by Kenneth Law, a former Mississauga chef, now facing murder charges for 14 similar deaths in Ontario, including Stephen Mitchell, Ashton Prosser Blake, and Yeshenia Bedoya Lopez. His products connected to the deaths of many more young people, at least 130 total deaths around the globe. But that prosecution faces a new challenge. Crown lawyers are appealing to the Supreme Court to overturn another case that found for a suicide to be murder, a deadly action must overcome the victim's free will. Kenneth Law's lawyers filed Friday to intervene in that case, saying Mr. Law is not alleged to have been present at any of the deaths. He is not alleged to have deceived the victims into unwittingly ending their own lives. It would impermissibly warp the language of the criminal code to assert that someone who mails a toxic substance that another person later voluntarily consumes in another location with suicidal intent has actually committed their murder. The Crown says the appeal will be potentially determinative of one of the largest murder cases ever charged in the province of Ontario. The case has the potential to rewrite Canadian suicide laws and also impact Canada's medical assistance in dying laws. Dale Kirk, himself a former New Zealand police officer, says he believes Law does bear criminal responsibility and also hopes the case against him serves as a warning for websites that promote these deadly products to vulnerable people.
It's marketed as a way of ending your problems in a painless way. I mean, it takes a pretty evil type of person, I think, to come up with that idea and to market that.
There is no prosecution for Leanna Kirk's death in New Zealand. Her dad is looking to Canada.